Passage mode, one-digit access. The YL-99 has the ability to be set to passage mode by entering a passage code. In passage mode, all users can press any key to open the door without requiring a user code. How to enter passage mode. Enter the passage code, beginning with the sequence number 9, and press the pound key. After the beep stops and before the blue light goes off, press star and pound in quick successions. Once you hear 2 beeps, the lock is in passage mode. How to cancel passage mode. Press any key to activate the lock. After the beep stops and before the blue backlight goes off, press star and pound in quick successions. Once you hear 2 beeps, passage mode is canceled.